Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's June 2nd, almost 9:30, and the humidity is building rapidly. The onions have fallen over, as you can see if the other camera's working right, and it's time to get these things picked. Around noon, somewhere after noon, we're supposed to be getting thunderstorms, and I really don't want all these onions getting wet, so we're going to get started picking these things. And where the garlic was disappointing, the onion harvest is just going to be spectacular. Look at that. How's that for a first onion? They're right on top. You don't even need any tools or anything, just pick them. So the little area here cleared, we'll start stacking them. Then we're going to spread them out because we're going to want to get as much drying as we can before I got to take them inside and get them covered. How's that for an onion? Not bad for a homegrown onion. Another one just like it. And another one. This is just, it was a bad winter, but since these didn't come till February, the starts, they missed some of that terrible weather we had, up and down in the 80s and then in the 20s. And these all came from Dixondale Farms, which is where the Vidalia sets come from. And that's what these are, same things. They do phenomenal here in Atlanta, Lawrenceville. And every time I get them from them, they're just wonderful. Now I started plants this year from seed because I had the seed. But frankly, I can get 2 big bunches from Dixondale, and that's what this is, 2 bunches. Plus there's more up front in the front yard. And I can get 2 big bunches of these delivered for less than 20 bucks. It's not worth it fighting the seed. Just let the experts do it. They'll send you plants. They'll send them to you when it's the right time to plant. And if you'll just do what they tell you to do, check it out. Very, very consistent onion. Even where I planted 2, I got 2 onions. Where I planted 2, I got 2 nice onions. I don't know how your onions are doing, but this is about as nice a crop of consistent onions as you got any right to expect out of your home garden. This is all out of the first bed. So that's 1 package of onion starts from them. Wow. Now we'll slide down and take a look at the other package. Okay. Not a bad start. Just incredible. These down here had some hay mulch on them, straw mulch. Doesn't look like it did anything as far as keeping weeds down. Other than that, it's not much to them. I did some weeding. Obviously, I didn't do as much weeding as probably should have. But it gets hot. There's a lot of garden to work with. Do what you can do. These were all planted on the same day, at the same time. One side got mulched and the other side didn't, and I tell you, the side that got mulched, they're not as big.
Stop.
So there's half of them.
No.
Up there's the other half. I'm going to get them spread out and get a little drying done. Got them all pulled out in the sun on top of some crates. And if that's not enough, here's a second crate full. And a third. And a fourth. Fifth. And a sixth. These are just beautiful, beautiful onions. Grain X, Vidalia, whatever the hybrid is, from Dixondale Farms. What a great job they did for me with grape plants. Set them in February. Seemed too early to me, but I planted them because that's when they sent them to me. And here's what we got. Second year in a row, this harvest, this is a record harvest. Unbelievable. And there's still more out there that haven't fallen over yet. So we've got a tub, and then there's some up in another bed in the front. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. So there's the onion harvest, June 2nd. Boy, that just gave me like 12 feet of ground to plant some more stuff in. Let's go gardening.